Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to control which payment methods are available to wholesale customers using the Dynamic Rules feature in the Wholesale plugin. This allows you to hide or show specific payment gateways, like cash on delivery, bank transfer, or Stripe, based on user role or order conditions. Let's begin. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Wholesale, Settings, Dynamic Rules. Click Add New to create a new rule. Enable the rule toggle at the top. In the basic settings, choose the action. Payment control. Control available payment methods. Now, give your rule a clear label, like Hide COD for wholesale customers. Optionally, add a note to explain the rule's purpose. Scroll to the section where you configure the payment methods. Here, choose whether you want to allow only selected methods or hide selected methods. Then, from the list, select the specific payment gateways like cash on delivery or direct bank transfer. This gives you complete control over how wholesalers pay. In the user conditions section, select Selected User Roles Only. Choose the wholesale roles the rule should apply to. For example, you may want to hide cash on delivery for default role users. You can refine the rule further using customer history conditions, like users with a certain order count. Scheduling conditions apply different payment methods on specific dates. Common conditions such as minimum cart value. These options give you flexible control over payment behavior. Once you're happy with the settings and conditions, click Save Changes. Your payment control rule is now active. The checkout page will update automatically based on your configuration. That's how you control payment methods for wholesale customers in Wholesale using Dynamic Rules. It's a smart way to streamline the checkout experience and reduce friction based on order or role type. Thanks for watching. Explore more of our tutorials to master all the powerful features of the Wholesale plugin.